Welcome to eMotorsDirect.ca, your solution for industrial motors, controls, gear reducers, parts, and accessories. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the purchase process to complete your order. For this video, we have an account already set up and have added several items to the cart. For more direction on setting up an account, view our How to Create an Account video. Click the cart icon on the top right corner of the webpage to view your shopping cart. Review your order details. Leverage the Quick Add feature to add additional products by SKU or item name. Print your estimate for future reference or to discuss the order with your team. Click Secure Checkout once you are ready to proceed. Your billing and shipping information will be pre-populated if your account is already set up. Double-check your shipping address if you commonly ship to different locations. Select your preferred shipping method. We offer flat rate ground shipping, air freight, ship collect, and local pickup. If ground shipping is selected, items 60 pounds and under will be sent via courier, while anything over 60 pounds will be directed through one of our trusted trucking company partners. We offer multiple methods of payments, including e-transfer, PayPal, direct deposit, credit, and debit. Established accounts have the option for net 30 terms. Enter a promotion code if applicable. Enter your purchase order number for future reference and it will appear on your receipt. Review your order and click Place Order. Our team is specially trained to support you with all your industrial motor needs. Give our team a call if you have questions before placing your order. We'd love to hear from you.